Hi everyone, welcome to an unboxing video today. Oh, that was really squeaky, let's do that again. I think the first thing I'm going to do at the beginning of this video is actually take the bubble wrap off. Actually, it's been so exciting that it's been really annoying waiting to set up the camera to film this because I really want to open this. It's an unboxing video and it's a crochet kit, the most stunningly gorgeous crochet kit. Okay, oh my goodness, this box is absolutely massive, and this is, I've actually got bubble wrap stuck to my finger, and it actually takes me back to the time where I used to do my own kits. And just checking this box, just looking at this box when I opened it, I was blown away. This surpasses anything I've ever done. Just the box itself is a collector's item. This is a limited edition crochet kit by Crochet Society with some gorgeous, cute designs. It's got this beautiful, like almost gold leaf text on the top, so it just feels so special. You've got these really cute little pictures, a ghost and a pumpkin. So I was really worried, obviously being based in Hungary and this coming from the UK, that this would turn up damaged or dented. But it actually turned up really, really quickly, and the box is in perfect condition. So I sort of came down this morning after the postman came and I was like, oh, I hope the box is okay because I want to keep the box. But no, it's in really, really good condition. So don't be worried about if you're ordering from abroad. It was okay for me at least. Anyway, enough talking, let's go to the unboxing. Obviously I've been waiting to open this while we've been setting all the cameras up to share with you guys, so I've been really itching to open it. But the one thing I noticed straight away just on the end is these cute little cutouts of stars and moons. It's just, I love the details, it's just so lovely. And if we open it up, it's got this beautiful, very useful little Velcro connection opening thing here. So let's open this up. Oh, it's really nice. I've got to show you the whole design, the immediate first impressions, falling in love with crochet treats. I just love the color scheme. It's just putting that pink in there with the orange. It's not just autumnal in feeling, it's got that just, I don't know, really kind of lovely color scheme. I love it. But immediately we get a whole array of gorgeous yarns. Now this is a Crochet Society yarn, so it's very special for their brand. And this is, I can see straight away, it's 100% acrylic and it's called Confection DK. So this is a DK weight yarn. So in the US that would be a light worsted weight yarn. So it's one of my most used weights of yarn, and it's, like I said, it's an acrylic and it feels like a really premium acrylic, really soft. I know that one of the patterns in here, it's like a group of patterns, is a plushie, and I'm just knowing this is going to make a super soft plushie. So the squish factor is high with these yarns. Really, really lovely, because you never know with different acrylics what they're going to be like. So this obviously feels like a really nice premium one, which is lovely. And just holding up the orange here, this is called Orange Slice. I mean, that just immediately feels very autumnal, doesn't it? So Orange Slice, we've got 2 balls of the orange, and we've got some staple colors here, some black and some white. So this is called Licorice, so they haven't just called it black, Licorice. So we've got 2 balls of the Licorice and 2 balls of the Royal Icing. I love it. Couldn't just go with white, it's Royal Icing, so really lovely names. Really nice. I think that's just the whole vibe of Crochet Society. It's fun, and even down to the names of their yarns. I love that. And then we've got 3, 6, 7, hang on a minute, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, very unlucky for some, 13 balls of yarn. So we have some other colors as well. I love that. I think they've done that deliberately. We have a green, which is called Chocolate Lime. And we have a yellow, my favorite color, called Limoncello. It's very nice. So we got 2 shades of brown. We have a lighter one called Creamy Coffee and a slightly darker brown called Eclair. So 2 shades of brown. We have a pink called Nugget, and I probably pronounced that wrong. And we have a purple called Parma Violet. So I actually have some Parma Violets somewhere. It's a lovely purple colour. And I'm thinking definitely witch's hat with that colour. And a gorgeous colour, last but not least, buttermint. So this lovely turquoise colour, buttermint. So we have 13 balls of gorgeous premium, very squishy, high squish factor, acrylic yarn. And then straight away jumping into a lot of polyester toy stuffing. So we're absolutely, one of the crochet patterns in here is for a set of plushies. So with that, obviously, let's put that to the side. We have somewhere in here, yes, we've got some safety eyes to go with the plushies. So like I said, there are two options for what you can make with this kit. You can either use the yarn for making 6 plushies. Okay, so we have 6 adorable amigurumis, and they are designed by Luisa Cabral. Now I hope I've pronounced that correctly. She's from alanya.handmade. And your other option, if you don't want to make plushies, if that's not your thing, then you can also make a set of seasonal homewares, and they've been designed by Lauren Willis from manatee_squares, and that's things like coasters, pumpkin decorations, and an autumn wreath. Now one thing, if you do want to make the autumn wreath, you will need a polyester, one of those polyester rings, and that doesn't come in the kit, so you will have to buy that separately. But if you do make the plushies, you should have enough yarn left over to make some of the autumnal seasonal homeware things as well. So it's completely up to you what you would like to use the yarn for. But all the patterns are digitally hosted, and they're on the back of this little card. You get little special passwords, so you can grab those online, and there's also video support as well if you're more of a visual learner. So everything you need. Not video support from me, not yet anyway, so, but all checked by other crochet experts. Am I a crochet expert? Crochet experts out there, so that should be really helpful if you get stuck on any of the patterns. But this is designed for advancing beginners, so people who understand the basic crochet stitches. So if you are a beginner, you know the basics, and you're looking to have just some more interesting projects to work on, then this is definitely the kit for you. But we also get some extra treats to go with in our crochet kits. We get 2 crochet hooks, polymer-grip crochet hooks. I love these. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love the color scheme. These are Crochet Society branded, and we have a 4mm and a 3mm. So we've got this lovely twisted design here, again matching the whole color scheme. And then this really cute one, the smaller one, the 3mm, which has little bats and stars and moons on it. So these are absolutely going to be added to my crochet collection. So keep an eye out for these appearing in some of my Instagram photos. So cute. And we also have a couple of stitch markers as well. And I don't tend to use stitch markers, but I do with knitting. So if you didn't know, I do have a knitting channel as well. But I do use stitch markers with knitting, not so much with crochet, but these are so adorable. You got this little cute pumpkin stitch marker here, and there's also, even more cute, is a little ghost. So these are so sweet, so cute, really, really useful, especially when you want to work continuously in a round and want to know where the beginning and the end of your rounds are. And to be honest, I should use stitch markers because I'm always using scrap yarn, and that just comes out and it's really annoying, so I always end up just joining my rounds, but that's not always convenient. So these are really, really useful and super cute as well. As we also have an enamel pin, which is so adorable. It's you can see there, it says "witch please." It's a little cute cauldron with a witch's legs sticking out. So it's really, really sweet. So a little enamel pin. My daughter actually collects these, or she used to collect these, so I'm wondering whether she's going to nab this from me. So that's super cute. And also, last but not least, you get a cotton tote bag with a really adorable design, which plays on the design of the box as well. So I don't know if I can, how well I can show this. There we go. So let's get spooky. So it's got the same design, color scheme as the outside of the box. So really, really useful. Oh, I love the back as well. Look at that. Very autumnal, very in the mood for all those autumn leaves and pumpkins. So there we go, Crochet Society branded. So that's really useful to put the whole kit inside as you're getting ready to work on your plushies or your autumnal project. One thing to mention, if you do decide to make the autumnal patterns, like the coasters and the pumpkins, if you want to make the wreath, you will have to order a polystyrene ring separately. That's not included in the kit. But if you do make the plushies, you should have enough yarn left over to make some of the coasters. So it's completely up to you what you decide to make. And yeah, so hopefully if this is up your street, don't be afraid if you're ordering from abroad, because I basically got this sent from abroad and it arrived really quickly. And I'm just wondering what it says at the bottom. But there we go. Last but not least, at the very bottom of the box, it says, don't forget to share your makes with us. #Crochet Society. So they love sharing your projects on Instagram and other socials. So there we go. We have an unboxing kit, crochet kit, which I haven't done for ages. And I'm so glad to finally actually open the box. So, because obviously when I get sent these things, I have to wait to set up all the cameras and share it with you guys, and where I just want to rip everything open and see what's inside. So it's really nice to actually see what's inside. And I'm probably going to make some of the plushies, or maybe the autumn wreath, I'm not sure. I did make an autumn wreath, my own design, last year, and I hung it on the door and it faded in the sun because it was so warm. So I'm definitely looking to make another one. And you get so much toy stuffing. This is going to be absolutely more than enough for your plushies. If you do order this box, all the links are down below. So if you would like to pre-order your box, they'll be heading out at the beginning of September. So do head to the links in the description below if you'd like to grab your own Crochet Society limited edition. You don't have to be a part of the subscription with Crochet Society. This is a separate box that you can order independently. And everything you need is in the description below. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you'll check it out. Let me know if you order one. I'm super curious, and what you decide to make. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.